Okay, group 1 is staying here. Mami. Dito pa kayo, mami. Dito pa kami. Here. Okay, mami. Dito tayo, mami. Mami. Okay, so group 1 and group 2. Sino mas magaling? 1 or 2? 1 or 2? 2 or 1? Oh, okay lang. Okay lang kayo sumigaw dito. Open naman eh. Okay, let's have a speed stocks. Madali lang masyado. Okay, kids? Baba muna tayo, kids. Sa kung mami ang maglalaro. Okay, ma, madali lang masyado yung game. Sige, music. Naubos na sa na aking price. Okay, ready? Sige lang, uy. Okay lang yan, uy. Ayaw mo lang siya. Sige. Sige lang mo lang sa mga. Sige lang kayo, mga mami, wala may price. Okay, ready? Okay, sino mauna sa inyo? Apat ko. Nababos na si ma'am. Sino mauna? Si mami muna. Okay. Sige, ready? Hinay lang. Ano na yung mami? Bumay, hinay lang, ha? Kasi malinood. Mama, kasi malinood ka lang. Kami na sa birthday road. Slowly lang, mama. Okay. Sige, ready? Tatlong cups lang yan. So you need to form into triangle. And then ibabalik na the next player na naman. Okay, ready? So guess one. Okay, you get one. Okay, ready? Get set and go! Prize. Group 2, you get your prize tomorrow evening. Please take away the pictures in the line and VIP clearance. Mom, get your prize, winners. chair. Okay, sit down, Kuya Kurt. Sit down there, Kuya. Okay, come here. Okay, kids, ready for the musical chairs? Are you ready? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, pag-start the music, ano gagawin, kids? Okay, stand up, dance, ikot sa chair. And pag nag-stop ang music, mag-una nga kayo mag-sit down sa chairs. Okay, ready and go! Meron pa isa, kuya. Meron pa. Okay, ganun ang gagawin niyo, ha? Okay, sige. Ready, stand up, and go! Come on, dance, dance. Sit down! Sit down! It's okay, kuya. It's okay, your cancellation prize. Okay, here. Feeling ka na prize. Kailangan nakalaro ng musical chair, bigayan talaga. Sige, jacket boy. Bato, bato, pick. Sige. Bato, bato, pick. Okay, sino winner? Okay, sino na dala? Sige, get your cancellation prize. Support naman ni Kuya. Okay, go! Hello, kasi tidak bato-batokin kasi. Okay, ready, go! Oh, dance! Ano yung music kasi? Wala ka naka-jack and boy, kuya. Okay, ready, go! Sit down! Sit down! Okay, thank you, Kurt. It's okay. Ready, go! Okay, thank you, Ate. Okay, stand up, ready, and go!
Doesn't matter if matter, Daddy. I'm telling you now to come inside. Cause you and me, we gotta take it to rock.
Sit down! Thank you, Kuya. Get your cancellation prize. Okay, dalawa na lang. Ready, and go! After this, we will have magic show. Sit down! Okay. So we have the winner. What's your name? Okay, get your prize. Congratulations. Okay. Ready? Okay, so kids, dito na tayo here for the magic show.
Right about now, the Funk Soul Brother. Check it out now, the Funk Soul Brother. Right about now, the Funk Soul Brother. Check it out now, the Funk Soul Brother.
Okay, sige, sit down. Ready?
The Funk Soul Brother. Right about now, the Funk Soul Brother. Check it out.
Ayan, yung mga gusto pa mag-avail ng ice cream, meron pa tayong ice cream there. Okay, there you go.
Ay, alam mo. Start.